Today's video is a little different. xTool has sponsored a few projects on this channel, and this is the last video in that collaboration. So rather than squeezing a sponsored segment into a woodworking project, I figured we'd just dedicate one video entirely to the machine and see what it could do. For this project, I'm making personalized grill caddies for Father's Day. I'll be selling these locally, and they seem like the perfect way to test what the xTool F2 can actually bring to a simple woodworking project. The first thing that stands out about the F2 is the portability. It has a built-in handle, it's easy to move around, and unlike a lot of other laser setups, it doesn't demand a permanent spot in your shop. It's also beginner-friendly. The built-in 50 megapixel camera gives you a live view of your workspace so you can place designs exactly where you want them before you hit start. That means fewer mistakes and less wasted materials. While building these caddies, I kept thinking of other Father's Day products that would work well with this machine. Personalized cutting boards, custom bottle openers, pocket knives, leather keychains, coasters, anything that becomes more valuable once somebody's name gets added to it. The F2 combines a 15-watt diode laser with a 5-watt infrared laser, which means it can engrave wood, mark metal, and handle a pretty wide variety of materials. Not to mention, it's super fast, and if you're selling products, speed matters. xTool also offers a sliding tray attachment for larger projects, letting you work on pieces that extend beyond the machine itself. And the built-in exhaust system helps keep smoke under control, which makes using this indoors much more practical. The grill caddies turned out great, and the engraving definitely gives them a more finished, custom look. So after doing several projects with the F2, I will say that it's a solid option for anyone looking to add personalization to their products or create custom products to sell. Thanks again to xTool for sponsoring this series. If you'd like to learn more about the F2, I've put links down below in the description. And if you're interested in seeing the full grill caddy builds and whether or not they sold, there's a link down below to that too. Thanks so much. See you in the next one.